but it's both the L2 and R2 buttons that doesn't work, and they feel kind of off. I can't really describe it, but it's like something is in the way for them. Let's open up this controller and we'll see what's wrong with L2 and L1. And I think I already found the problem. So the L2 and R2 button here didn't look to be correctly put back together, because it should be over like this, and you can see this is all floppy. It should be over like this. So I think that's the problem. Anyway, let's get these back. Let's see, when I tried to put it back, it jumped out again. So you have to be careful. There you go, and now that feels much better. Same with this one, make sure it doesn't pop off or out if you use proper English. I mean, these cords could also not be in the way. There we go. That feels way better. Okay, let's reassemble it and test it on the PC. L2. 3200 left trigger, that's awesome. And R2. 3200. Anyway, so that was a really easy fix. And that's how you can fix your trigger buttons. Very easy. Sometimes when you disassemble it, the membrane goes off and you just have to put it back where it's supposed to go.